Germany. This is right here in Germany, Munich. Munich is the place to be. This is right here in Germany. So, we share this live video with you. Cars. Call them cars. The Porsche, the BMWs, the Audi, the Benzes, the Volkswagen. It's like a wedding day in Germany, and the couples probably are not from Germany.
Gelin almaya! Biz geldik gelin almaya! Gönüller hoş olsun! Gönüller hoş olsun! Ah ulan ah! Ah ulan ah! Aç kapıyı Hasan Bey! Aç kapıyı Hasan Bey! Sevenler muradı versin! Sevenler muradı versin! Oğlan bizim, kız bizim! Oğlan bizim, kız bizim! Oğlan bizim, kız bizim! Oğlan bizim, kız bizim!
Meet Charles Show. Meet Charles Show brings you all the best around the world. It's a typical wedding day in Germany, and you can see this nation and the people from this nation and their flag showing live, and we share with you what is going around. I mean, what people do in their nations, or what they celebrate, or what they call wedding, so we can all learn from each other. These are the cars that were just coming. You can see the cars parked. It's a beautiful day in Germany.